Hi, I am Ike. I show people how to make money online. So if you are new in this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will not be missing any of my videos. So in this channel, I'm going to show you a step by step on how you can create a PayPal account that can receive money and also pay out money in Nigeria just with your smartphone. With your smartphone, you are good to go. Before you start thinking of making this money online, you will also as well think of how you can receive payment after doing the business online. So for you to receive this payment, you need a PayPal account. So in Nigeria, PayPal works, but not all the account works. Like PayPal have three accounts. You have the personal account, have the business account, have the partner and the developers account. But the account that works in Nigeria is only the personal account, which cannot receive money across the world. But business account can receive, but Nigeria doesn't operate in this business account. But in this video now, I will show you a street way I can create a business account in Nigeria here, and you will start receiving this money. So let's get started. We go paypal.com/los paypal.com/ls. So what do we mean by putting /ls here? If you're creating a PayPal account in Nigeria, you can put NG. And once you put NG, it will take you to the site where you create personal account only, because Nigeria, as I told you before, only operate on personal PayPal account. But if you put LS, which is Lesotho, it will provide all the three accounts for you. You can use UK, you can use US, you can use any country apart from Nigeria to create this business account, because we're trying to create a business account that can receive money across the world. So let's go into the business now and see how this thing works. Okay, you can see it here, guys. Just now take us to a place where you can start creating this account. Let's go to the menu. Let me show you something now. Assuming that this is a Nigeria page now, you can only see personal account. But in this case now, we're having personal, we're having business, we're having partner and developer, as I told you. So in this case of the video, we are trying to create a business account, which is this one. So we're going to click on this one now to start creating business account. So now go to get started to create this account. Click on get started to start loading now. I'm going to create this account. Get started. What's the problem? Okay. Get started now. Till now. Good. Said sign up for a business account. Now put your email here. I believe that you have already gotten the email address that you want to use and create this PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can go to the description of this video. You will see a link on how you can also get a tutorial class on how to create an email address in a few minutes. But if you have it already, just go here and put the email address here. I'm going to put the email address. Okay, ready here. Put it here and press continue. And it is now requesting for password. Please put any password that you know you can remember. It says something, say enter at least 8 characters, enter at least one number. So you put a combination of characters here to make up a password. Note that you must have a lowercase and uppercase in this password. So I'm starting with uppercase, then others will be in lowercase, so that I will just do this very fast without having any issue. Good. I've put my password now. Press continue. You just take this password once, because I obey the rules. I started with uppercase. It now takes me to where I will complete this form. and my account will be set. Say put my legal name. I'll put my legal name here so that people will confirm that I'm a real human. My last legal name, I put my last name here. Fine. He said your legal business name. In this case now, you can use, if you have legal business name, you can put it here. But if you don't have it, you don't have any, you can use your name as a legal business name. There's no problem about that. So next thing now is to put your phone number. Put your phone number here. Sorry, it takes me back. Put your phone number here. You can see put your business phone number. In this place now, you can see that the code here is Lesotho. I'm going to change this to Nigeria before putting your phone number. So change this place to Nigeria. Change it to Nigeria because your location is Nigeria, and it's Nigeria that people will be sending money to your account. So you are changing it to Nigeria from here. Change it to Nigeria. You can see Nigeria here. You click on this and you now put your phone number. Put in my phone number now. Okay, there's my phone number. Put my address. Lagos, Nigeria. Put any address of our choice. Address of your choice here. Using Lagos, Nigeria. Address 2. Using Lagos mainland. My city is Lagos as well. Using Lagos as my city. Then state Lagos. This step works for you without having any issue. Postal code, you put a postal code of the state that you have inputted here. This is my postal code for Lagos. So in this place now, you are choosing the currency in which people will be paying you. So people pay in dollars, so you are leaving the primary currency to be in dollar. So you now come and check this place. In order to agree with their terms, click agree and continue. Yes guys, it is now taking you to another page where you are going to describe your business. You said your business type. You click here. You can choose any business type of your choice from the option here. In this case, I'm choosing individual and proprietorship. So you said put product or service key. What do you do online? What do you do online? Or what do you do in your business? Just put it here. You can just put anything that related, any keyword that related to what you do. Put in professional service. I offer professional service to people. Fine. That professional service, you're going to see it here. You can see professional service here. It takes me back. Professional service is what I'm trying to type. Professional service. Professional. If I type professional, it can show something that I will choose from. So what is it now? Choose professional service. Okay, if you go, you can see professional service here. You choose it from there, click continue. So put business address. If you have, you can put. If you don't have, if you worry about it, it's optional. A business URL link. So in this case now, I'm going to put your date of birth. Put date of birth here. Your date of birth here correctly to complete this form. You're selecting nationality as Nigeria, not Lesotho this time around. You're not choosing anything concerning Lesotho here apart from the initial time you put it when searching for the site. So in this place now, you're going to select your ID. Here you can see select national identity document. Is it national ID card I am using? Is it national passport? Is it a driving license? In this case, I'm choosing national ID. It's now asking me to put my national ID. So I have my national ID identity number in my phone here. I saved somewhere where I'm going to copy it now and paste it there for the sake of this tutorial. Copy it somewhere here. Good. Copy it from here and go there and paste it. Post it here. Post it here. I don't know whether you see what happened. They say home address same as business address. If you want to make home address as the same as business address, you click here to take it as a same address. I hope you understand what I inputted here. Your national ID has what is called national ID number. That is what I inputted here. If you bring out your national ID, you're going to see where they wrote NIN. That is national identity number. That number is what I inputted here. And then choose my business address as my home address and I submit. So we are now good to go. Fine, guys. It's now taking us to another place again that shows that we have successfully created this account. So you can see now. You can see what is here. I said, welcome to your PayPal business account. Get paid. Wow. So in this account now, you can get paid. People can pay you through this account, and you can as well pay people, say request or send fund. So you can as well request for payment or you send for other people. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything on how you can make this account ready for use. So what next again is to click here now and go to summary. You can see here now, this is how people business account looks like. You can see summary, payment, activity, report, tools, more. You can see if it's personal, it will going to be like this. So click on summary to see this account in full, to finish up the setup so that this account will be ready for use. Good. It's taking us to the main page of this account now. I want the situation whereby after this video, you will be able to create your own account within a minute and start using it immediately. So you can see now, you can see what is here. You can see here my PayPal balance is 0 because I'm just creating this account now, so nothing is here. It said confirm email address and link and confirm my debit to credit card. These are the two things that is remaining for this account to be set. So the first one is to confirm our email address. We are going to confirm our email address here. Once we confirm this email address, good, this account will be good to go. You can see here, said my email address, my primary email address is unconfirmed, so I'm clicking here to confirm it. Once I click here, it will take me to this place telling me to confirm from here. Say confirm this email. I'll click here to confirm. It's sending email now. So PayPal is sending email to my Gmail that I can follow and confirm this account. Let's go down here and see the email I've sent. Good. See the message I have sent now. Said I should confirm my account from here. You can see the message that people have sent to me. You can see it here. I should activate my account. Okay. That is not the one they send now. It seems they have not sent message for this account. Let me quickly go to my Gmail and see the message there. The message want to be here in my Gmail. Once I log out, I log in here. Okay, it's here already. So good. You can see it here. So I should confirm my email here. Click here to confirm. Are you seeing it here? So I should put my password here in order to confirm. I should put my password in order to confirm this account now. I'm going to put that the same password that I inputted when creating this account is what I'm going to put here. Good. So put that password here and click confirm. Setting up this account now so that you will start using it now to receive payment. Good. Wow. So guys, this account now is now set to use. What remains now is to link and confirm your debit or credit card. Because I have PayPal account already, I'm not going to link my PayPal account again. Only what you can do again now here is to link your PayPal account if you are the one creating this video, because I've already created before and I cannot link again. Just click in this detail. It will open for you to link your account. You can see it here. It says link your debit card. If you click there now, it will now bring an option where to link your debit card. So in this place now, you put your credit card number here, select card type here, select expiry date, your security code, and your billing address, which is already here for me. After everything, just click link and the account is good to go. You don't have any other thing to do here. You start using this account perfectly and start making your money, receiving your money online without having any issue. If this video helps you a lot, do well to subscribe and drop comment on me on my comment box here, so that I will still make more video that's better than this one for you to be engaging yourself. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos.